Well, dear good YouTube, consultatu, how are we all? I'm sorry this video is so late in being put up. I'm just really bogged down. Really don't want to make this video, but I said I'd make it anyway. I'm just posting to say I hope he's liked the hairdressing video. I know it went on for a bit and my editing wasn't that great, but I'm working on it, so we'll see what happens. The colour is kind of, you can still see it, but the lighting is very bad, so I doubt you'll be able to make it out very well. I'm still waiting to collect a few donations. If anyone else has any more donations, I'll put my MoSpace link down again. I'm debating, I want to try it just for the sake of it. I think I will buy some of my own colours and put them in. So watch the space. You might end up seeing bright electric colours in my hair yet again. Tomorrow I'm going to Gravity Climbing Centre and I'll try and make a video of that. I know I said I'd do one of those as well, but all the clips I have weren't that great, so I'm going to focus on getting some good clips, some good climbs, and I'll mash them all together somehow. And then Friday I'm off to Birmingham. I'm off to Birmingham to visit Cadbury World. A little bit of backstory there. I'm volunteering with the Northside Partnership, which is a community-based program in my area, and they linked in with Cadbury's this time last year to run the Spots vs Stripes program. So I'm sure some of you around England and Ireland particularly will have seen the odd Spots vs Stripes event here and there, but anyway, if you haven't, I'll try and link a few to you. There might be a few videos on YouTube somewhere. That's it. So I'm off. They're doing a volunteer recognition event. So I'm flying out at 6:30. No, actually I tell a lie. Yeah, I'm flying out at 6:30, but I have to be in the airport for 4:30. And then we're flying back. I'll be back in Dublin by about 9:30 that Friday evening. And it should be interesting. We'll see what happens. I'll try and get a video up for that as well. So watch this space, everyone. Hope you're all well. Slán.